Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to reset the 2019 Nissan Altima oil light. Turn the ignition to on without starting the engine and use the steering wheel buttons to open the settings menu. Scroll to Maintenance or Oil Life, select Reset, and confirm when asked. Wait for the display to show 100% or a confirmation message. If the light stays on, cycle the ignition off and repeat the steps slowly and deliberately. Walk through the exact button presses so you feel confident at the wheel. Use the arrows to reach the Maintenance or Oil Life screen, then highlight Reset or Reset Oil and press the OK button. Hold that button for a few seconds until the display confirms the reset or reads 100%. If the light does not extinguish, repeat the sequence and check that you held the button long enough for the system to register the reset. If the oil light refuses to reset, try a few simple fixes before calling for help. Make sure the ignition is fully on and not an accessory, and that doors and hood are closed so the car won't interrupt the procedure. Try the reset again, holding the OK button firmly for several seconds. If the reminder still shows, it may indicate a sensor or software issue, so check the owner manual or contact a dealer for diagnostics.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.